Hello, Namaste. My name is Binaya Basnet. I am from Pokhara, Nepal, Kaski. Today I am going to show you that I am going to sapling the orange plant, and I am going to show you that I have two orange plant, which is Japanese crafted plant. But first, you have to make sure that you have to fully uh, prepare. You have to wear working gloves and shoes before working. It may helps you to prevent from injuries during the work. Okay, nice. Look at my hand. I have two holes. One is big and one is small, which helps to uh, dug the pit for orange saplings. First, I'm going to remove this mice plant, and now I'm going to digging the pit. These dogs will be uh, about 5 meter, about 1 feet deep and 1 feet wide, which makes helps to grow the orange plant uh, easier and faster. Here you have to filter the marine stone. The stone okay, you can see the pit is ready. One pit is ready, and we have to dug one more for another sapling. Here you can see I'm going to dig another. I'm going to dug another one pit for the orange slapping. You can see, yeah, which I already planted this. One is mango, and here you can see this one is orange. These two are orange. Here you can see total uh, 12 orange planted, which are lies there, and there. You have to make sure that the difference of the gap of the plant should be 2 meters, which make them to grow freely, and when they are grow big, uh, their branches should not be collide to each other. Make sure that. Okay, I'm going to dug the pit. These hoes are our traditional hoe, which is easier to dug the pit.
Look, this is more than enough.
Okay, this was the last one.
Sorry, sorry.
Here we can see another last one pit also ready. This pit also ready to slapping the orange plant. Before you slapping the orange plant, make sure you have to put some organic fertilizer, which helps to grow orange plant more faster, and which is also called the orange food, the compost fertilizer or organic fertilizer, which increase the fertility power of soil. Okay, we are going to take some fertilizer. This pouch to carry the fertilizer, you can see. Let's go. You can see here is the dung storage. It comes from directly come from animal, like we have cow in our home, and buffalo. It's come from direct animal, which is very healthy for plants. You can see these bananas also I had planted, and you can see here the banana have fruit too. Make sure that you have to always choose the old fertilizer, compost fertilizer, which is very good for new baby plants. Here you can see the fertilizer is ready to carry, and you can see
कसको बनायो मेरोमा
here you can see this is compost fertilizer, and I'm going to pour it in the pit. That much amount of fertilizer is much more for new baby plant. You have to make sure that you have to uh, mix this fertilizer and the soil very well. It have to be mixed very well. Mixing the soil and the compost fertilizer very well. Here you can see the pit is ready to plant this orange sapling. Here you can see the plant. Make sure that before you are going to planting this sapling, you have to remove this black cover. And slowly you have to remove the some more from this orange. Okay, now it is ready to plant, and make sure that the root is don't have to directly touch the ground surface. In the mid you have to put this compost fertilizer around this plant. Very slowly. Here you can see I have planted this plant, and make sure that you have to cover this compost fertilizer by this soil, which is also prevent from direct rain from sky, which do not keep to floating the compost fertilizer. Make sure that you have to clean always this uh, grass unwanted grass and stone. Well, here you can see I'm going to put this compost fertilizer in pit. Make sure that the compost fertilizer should be enough for the plant. I pour this amount of fertilizer in this pit. Now this turns to mix the soil and more the compost fertilizer well. It have to be mixed up very well. Uh, Here you can see the orange sapling, which is called the Japanese crafted orange sapling. Now I'm going to plant this. Make sure that you have to remove this black cover first. And then after you have to slowly remove the soil uh, before plant. Here you can see there is so many good roots. Now you have it's trying to slapping. You have to make sure that the plant should not directly, the root directly do not touch the ground. In the mid you have to put the mix fertilizer. Look, you can see. Make sure that you have to always clean the unwanted plant and the stone. You have to always clean them.
Okay. But this should be showing.
Here you can see I have planted this slapping, and here is one. So you come. Here is this one too. It's time to need to give some water for this plant. Here you can see I have water in my hand. You have to pour it slowly around this sapling, not directly this, but slowly. For another one. Thank you.